I am Johnny, and I am here with Golfkicks today, and we're going to be putting some cleats into a pair of skate-high Vans. Okay, so it's so easy that even I can do it. And on here with the little hex thing, and then I go up, and then I gotta kind of push and hold. And then once you're in, it's pretty easy to just kind of screw it in there. Okay, and then you got one in there. But if you're not as manly and as strong as I am, you can actually just use a drill. If you have this little hex thingy, just do it this way. It's pretty easy too. All you really got to do is just go. Yep, yeah, and then that's in there. Drill out. You really want to make sure that it's flush, nice and flush into the shoe, that it's not sticking out at all, because then it might come loose and that won't be good, and you'll lose your golf kicks. But
nice.
Yeah, that's basically how you
See 'em.
put them.
Beautiful.
Looks beautiful.